embedded engineers, developers, and friends of the show. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, Embedded Insights, the weekly news show all about embedded technologies and solutions from your friends at Embedded Computing Design. It's Friday, October 31st, Halloween 2025, and I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design. It is All Hallows Eve, and these are our top terrorific stories this week. First up, POLYN Technology has announced the successful manufacturing and testing of the world's first silicon-proven implementation of its unique NASP technology. NASP stands for Neuromorphic Analog Signal Processing technology. The NASP platform utilizes trained neural networks in the analog domain to perform AI inference with lower power consumption compared to conventional digital neural processors, says POLYN. So check that out. Our next story comes from Singh. He's the CEO and founder of Ambient Scientific, and he's written a column for us about how analog matrix computing is bringing about a breakthrough for high-performance edge AI on battery power. This is a much-needed path of innovation and an engineering challenge that's been going on a long time, so check it out and make sure you give it a read. Finally, we are featuring Advantech, which has released several edge AI solutions, all powered by NVIDIA's new Jetson Thor module. They can deliver a reported up to 2070 FP4 teraflops of AI performance. These solutions are built on container-based architecture and feature application-specific hardware platforms pre-integrated with Jetpack 7.0, remote management tools, and vertical software suites like Robotic Suite and Gen AI Studio, Advantech says. So that is worth an investigation of its own. Next week, your embedded computing design team will be in Anaheim, California for Embedded World North America. This is the second year of the North American version of the gigantic German trade show, and we hear it's growing like crazy for the second year here. We're excited to see what the show has to offer, and we are doing our part. If you're going to be there in Anaheim, make sure you swing by our booth and see our dev kit zone, where some of the most interesting and exciting dev kits in the industry are going to be on display. Make sure you visit with our kiosk partner music.ai and join in on our scavenger hunt to earn either a t-shirt giveaway or a Raspberry Pi board, or both. And of course, we will be bringing you tons of editorial coverage, including our special episode of In Case You Missed It from the show floor. So make sure that you are here on YouTube to see it all. That's it for this week. Make sure you look for the In Case You Missed It LinkedIn newsletter, as always, for even more stories that you don't want to miss. That comes out every Monday on LinkedIn, and you can subscribe to it there. I hope you do subscribe there, but I have found, looking at our analytics, that many of you watching us here on YouTube are not subscribed. And I hope that you'll take this moment to subscribe, like this video, and click that notification button so you never miss any of our episodes. Visit us on embeddedcomputing.com for all the news in the embedded computing space, published every day, every week, throughout every year. Follow us on LinkedIn and all across the web. And please reach out if you'd like to become an advertiser or a sponsor of In Case You Missed It or any of our shows. For now, however, that is the end of this show. Make sure you never miss an episode of In Case You Missed It Embedded Insights. Happy Halloween. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week from Embedded World North America.